Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to teach you implicit of f as y function. Okay, so before we start our question, start answering our question, here we have three questions. Okay, here we have three questions, and before you answer our question, I want to teach you a little bit the skill. Okay, the skill. So if let's say I want to differentiate, that respect to x, or maybe you can be more understand if I write del z over del x. Okay, so if I have del z over del x, what I need to do is this one. Okay, in this case, if we have one function, I mean one equation. So that respect to x, so del z over del x. So what you're going to do is you take your function, you put here. Okay, your function put here, and then what you need to do is crossover. Okay, here going to be z, here going to be x. So once you crossover, you need to put negative over there. Okay, it's very simple. So if I have two equations, okay, I have two equations. Let's say I want to differentiate z to x also. Okay, z to x also. So now I have two equations, right, isn't it? So I want to differentiate z to respect to x. So now what I'm going to do is I have the first equation and also the second equation. Okay, so over first and second equation. Okay, it's just the same thing. Anyway, you need to do is just cross over multiply. Okay, here going to be, let's say I have two. I have z and also I have w. Okay, I have z and also w. Okay, let's say I have z and also w. Here I'm going to write zw. Here I'm going to write, I need to change my z to x. Okay, so it's going to be x w. Okay, so for the two equation, I have to change the z to x. Okay, but the first I need to change z to x for the numerator. For the denominator over here, I don't need to change. Okay, so maybe if I do the question, maybe you are going to understand about it. Okay, so what you need to do is just remember first one equation only, and this one is two equation only. Okay, one equation, two equation. Okay, so here we have one equation, here we have two equation and two equation. Okay, so for the first one, I need to differentiate z respect to x. Okay, z respect to x. So I have z del z del x, which is I have del f del z del x minus, again, negative over there. So now I take my function over here, then I differentiate respect to x. What I'm going to get? I'm going to get to x. I respect to z, I'm going to get to z. So the last answer is going to be x over z. Very easy, guys. If you guys, yeah, for the second equation, for the two equation case, if you guys know how to use the Kramer rule, also can, but for me it's quite complicated compared to the implicit. Okay, but yeah, for this video I'm going to show to you guys how to use implicit first. For in the Kramer video, I'm going to show to you guys how to use the Kramer rule techniques. Okay, so yeah, move on to the second question. Okay, for the second question, for the second question, okay, I want to differentiate. Okay, I can just differentiate anything over here. Okay, but depends on your question. Okay, let's say I want to differentiate u respect to x, and yep, and here I'm going to differentiate z respect to x. Okay, I'm not sure why I like x a lot. So here u respect to x and z respect to x. So if u respect to x, I'm going to have del u put that as, which is I have fg over fg. Here I have uv. Here I need to change my u to x, so you're going to have as v. Okay, so after that, what you need to do for two what we call that, for two equation case, you need to make a table like this, like determinant table. Okay, determinant like this one. Okay, so after that, what you need to do, you put your f g g g g. So after that, what you need to do, sv. Oh, here is supposed to be v. sv. Okay, so you're going to be sv. Okay, guys. Oh, it's not going to be sv. It's going to be uv. Okay, then what I need to do is just differentiate here. I want to differentiate f. Here is my f. Okay, you just can choose anything. Okay, you want to choose this one as f also can. You want to choose the down one as your f also can. Okay, it depends on you. But I want to choose the upper one as my f. So f respect to x, and this one g. Okay, as respect to x is going to be 3x, 3 on. Okay, and then f v be negative 1, and then g as negative 1, gv going to be negative 4v over, you have negative here, over fu, then 2u, and then fv to be negative 1, and then it will be gu 1, and gv negative 4v. Okay, after you got this one, right, you need to use the fish one. Okay, use the fish one. So I have here negative 12v, positive 12v minus with 1 over here going to be negative 8v, and then plus with 1. So here is your u x. Here's your u respect to x. Then you're going to get this one. Yes, guys. So yeah, just leave it like that. Okay. If they give to you what is v in the form of x, what is u in the form of x, and then you need to substitute back the v and u. Okay. Since they didn't give, just leave the answer like this. Okay. So we move on to the last question. So for the last question, I want to find z as I mentioned just now. So I find my z as. My z as is z del s. So I'm going to have fg. I'm going to have here I have what? zw. I have here zw, isn't it? So I'm going to get here sw. I'm going to have zw, and I'm going to have negative over there. So here I need to do the determinant. Do the determinant ff, gg, then sw, then zw. Okay, so I have the negative over here. Okay. So after that, what I need to do, I just going to do it like this. So I choose this one as my f. So f is going to have y, and then fw going to have z, and then g as I'm going to have z square, and then gw I'm going to have 1 plus y. 1 plus y. Wow, it's very rare to get like this, but yeah, it's okay. And then 1 plus negative 1 plus y. Okay, and then after that I have fz as z. I'm going to get w. W plus 2. And then fw I'm going to get Z. And then after that, GZ. I'm going to get Y and Y plus 2ZS. Okay, and then GW going to have -1 plus Y. Wow, it's very rare to get something like this, okay? So after that, after you've done like this, what you to do, just do the same thing like determinant. Going to use the fish one. So here you're going to get -y plus y squared minus z cubed, and then over with negative w plus with wy minus 2 plus 2y. Okay, and then minus with zy minus with 2z squared x. Wow, it's very complicated, you see. So yeah, basically just like this, what you need to do is just do your implicit and then find your determinant, implicit, okay, and then determinant. After you find your implicit and determinant, and then you just use the fish method, okay? Use the fish method, and then you get the answer for your differentiation. Okay guys, so that's all for the implicit. I hope you guys understand. I'm so sorry because the example very different than others, okay? And yep, hope you guys understand it. Please give me a thumbs up and please click the subscribe button over there. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. And